Hey guys, you're full of Parks After Dark. We are here at the Celebration Hotel. Now, Celebration Hotel is where? In Celebration. Now, what is Celebration for those who don't know, which are probably very few of you? Celebration was a planned community built by Disney. It is close to the park, but not really. It's a little far away, probably about a 15-minute run to the gates. It is self-contained. It has all the food, it has hotels, it has houses, it has apartments, it has a little of everything. Not that long ago, decades ago, Disney sold it to a private contractor, but it remains Celebration. And what makes Celebration different? One, being kind of Disney inspired, it has that throwback kind of Main Street in Magic Kingdom feel of Americana, of the throwback to America, where the houses have wraparound porches and they're all these beautiful colors, and it's perfect. It just feels perfect. And it's this place where we can just come and be. Now, we have found it and we love it, and it is a spot we want to share with you. But what part of Celebration that has is this hotel. So I want to take a minute to we show you hotels and places to stay. This is near Disney. It's in a place that Disney built. It has a wonderful energy, and you can get to Disney easy. Now, there's no buses and there are no posters for Mickey Mouse, but it has a very, very great energy. So with that being said, if you haven't noticed, we're fans. We're gonna go in, take a look at the hotel. So the hotel kind of is back right off what I would call Main Street. What the hotel has is a restaurant called Lakeside Kitchen and Bar. We'll take a look at that. If you look at kind of the awnings and how it's laid out, it has a boardwalk, beach club kind of vibe, but not really. It's great. It comes here. See, that is actually the Main Street. That's kind of where you come up on. There's great outdoor seating here. So you can sit right out here before you come in, and then you come in the lobby. Now, immediately you get the sense this is definitely a much different energy than most places. Exposed wood beams in the ceiling, great seating, all pastels, beautiful lights, great ceiling fans. Has a Key West energy, but not a much more luxurious version. Bar in the lobby, bar attaches to the restaurant we talked about, Lakeside. Check-in's right there, and it's kind of built into this kind of library feel, which I think they did a great job on. All the books are white or blue or green. Colors are kind of the ocean. Tan seating, has kind of a nautical-ish vibe, but very, very subtly implied. So it's really done well. You come down the hallway. When you come in, you go immediately to your left past the lobby. The rooms start down there, and it's about 4 stories tall. This way is the fitness room, which is right here. It's a smallish gym. I mean, I'm going to try to get you guys to see it. They have cardio equipment, like peek in here a little bit. That's about it. But really, the reason I came down this way is to take you out the back. Now, the one thing they do have here is a lot of meeting rooms and a lot of conference spaces. And given that, you get a lot of business. So this is the back. Pause for a second. Beautiful seating. Great seating underneath here. Really very nicely done. As you come out here, they have this wraparound walkway around this retention pond, which is just fantastic. Across the way here, there's a walking path that goes around the entire thing. You see people walking now, bridges, and it's just perfect. The path itself comes down this way, and it loops around. Now, this wraps to here, but I want to show you kind of the view from back here. So off this patio, that's their Main Street. When I told you this place was wonderful, look at it. It is this crazy throwback spot of just bliss. It's just a great spot. So really look at this huge piece of water. It's fantastic. You can rent bikes here. Now, it isn't an amusement park, so there isn't tons of like t-shirt shops. Now, it's a town. It's just self-contained. So you do have the scenery up by the water, which is beautiful. And way across the way there, that's the restaurant. Seating as well. So we'll peel back in, come back in the way we came. And we'll pull all the way back through. So back in now. We'll go down to the other side. So we're going back towards the lobby. Now we're going right back at the restaurant. Check-in's right to our right. And real quick inside, here's the restaurant. It is just really quaint. Not overly fancy, but at the same time really done very well. And then down here, what they have are ballrooms. The Orange Grove ballroom's right here, and it continues all the way down this hallway. So I could see events like weddings, engagement parties, quinceañeras, bar mitzvahs, being here and just being top shelf. So they had the meeting rooms for business. They had the ballrooms for family. And they have the beautiful restaurant, great outdoor seating, beautiful views. And it was built by Disney. What is not to like? So, with that being said, guys, it's your short parks after dark. We highly recommend the place. We highly recommend this space. That being said, guys, take care, do me a favor, like and subscribe, and we'll talk to you later.